The most iconic silhouette in the Amazon. Meet the Scarlet Macaw, the vibrant aerial communicator of the tropical canopy. The heavy-duty Nutcracker. Its powerful hooked beak can exert enough pressure to snap through the hardest shells in the jungle.
Long-range navigation. These birds can travel up to 15 miles a day at high speeds to locate the best feeding grounds.
Lifelong partnership. Scarlet macaws are highly social and usually mate for life, maintaining constant communication with their partner. The clay flush. They eat mineral-rich clay to neutralize toxins from the unripe seeds and fruits in their diet. Intelligent, loud, and impossible to ignore. The Scarlet Macaw, the radiant soul of the Amazonian wilderness.